You shall suffer with them. Delivery has arrived.
And engage the lookout!
That better not be the only way into the station. Fire rate down! Getting in the front door with this.
Can we look around? There must be another way in.
Preparing the fire.
All enemies neutralized. Your friends are safe.
Aw, Rivet. Sorry you had to come save us again. We tried to hold our own, fixed up the seeker feed and everything.
But one of those dimensional thingamajiggers is blocking it from taking off.
First off, none of this was your fault. Second, leave the thingamajigger to us.
Raise her up!
By the way, say hi to Kit.
Hey there, kid. Any friend of Rivet is a friend of ours.
Hello? That's Maynard, the Mortis helper bot. He'll lead us to the seeker feed. What is all that noise, my child?
Freeze them in their tracks with Ms. Zircon's newest, the Cold Snap. Got the bolt, sugar. Watch yourself.
Emperor sends his warmest greetings. With a yellow head passes the intermission.
I'm gonna tell the Emperor he should come say hi himself. Right. Or not. Either way. The Emperor's not just going after the Morts. He's taking out all life on the planet. Come on! We have to keep following Maynard.
That is one mighty fine enhancement.
Rivet! It's a bit tasteless of you to disrupt my welcome wagon. Put a lot of thought into it. I hope you don't mind I've watched from a distance. I'm just exhausted from eliminating your allies.
I've seen better resisting, to be honest.
A lot of talk for a hollow
excuse for a planet.
The Emperor requires your immediate incarceration, loyal subject. Our troopers will assist in your compliance.
You gonna love that upgrade.
We will prevail! Relinquish the upgrade!
I hate you all. Your resistance is unwelcome.
Emperor is sending more troopers through those rifts.
Real soon.
That is easily a common element for strength. I knew it. Laser must have absorbed the excess energy released by the dimensional chaos.
Release
We
that
have
cramped
shifted into
shell
another dimension.
An abandoned dimension from the looks of it.
It must be. Just you wait, Lambert. There are big expansive plans in store for success. Steady there, Doctor. We don't want to spoil the surprise.
The elevator's here.
Surprise! Let's keep after Maynard. Let's keep following Maynard toward that secret Peter. So many ships. Emperor's view in very thorough. It'll be okay.
Probably
We'll free
not.
the secret Peter.
But
The fight will start going
even if
our
the
way.
Lombaxes are the best family ever, I'd still be disappointed in me.
How? You are a hero.
Bad guy, sure, but dang, so many things.
You said you were so sure.
I mean, the battle station exists in this dimension. They can really unforge those two.
Possibly. But with the state of everything here, who knows if it will work?
Maybe our best bet is to find some more leads on it and head back to the other dimension.
Weapons are not permitted.
Easily and safely press buttons. Then put these on. There is an elevator that will take us to one of those lights right up ahead.
What is that?
Or JC. Oh, that is a swell nickname.
We will prevail!
See? Elevator. Bam! Now let me just press the button with the old access arm.
I am looking forward to examining that anomaly.
No, my access arm, it no longer works. It is just an arm now. What kind of madness is... Oh, power down. We just need to find a way to turn it back on.
Leave it to us, Jumpbot.
Stay down here.
Give me voice better. Hey, Hunter.
So when I was with Frank, it's just like what I meant.
Bracket! The big one! The big one!
So that explains why this all feels so familiar.
It does? Fascinating. Some kind of dimensional deja vu. Anyway, care to help?
Absolutely.
Maybe it could use a boost. That's intriguing. The spinner charts are converting dimensional energy into action.
Eddie, you might want to get in this elevator soon. Or now. Well done. You took it. Aw, I have never seen you so playful before.
That's playful?
Usually he just moseys around the station doing his own thing, but he seems to be actively chasing you. I am jealous. There it is! My favorite Blizon in all of the station! I love the way it sparkles after you stare at it for 6 hours.
Well, I guess this is goodbye then. Thanks for all your help, Jumpbot. Another dimension?
The Rubion Forge should be just ahead.
What are you doing here?
That's actually a funny story.
Was I talking to you?
You are talking to me.
We are under lockdown. How did you and your steed get in here?
I am inspecting your facilities and how white it is and orange because I am an interior decorator, first class. And Emperor wanted this redecoration to be a surprise for you
You're
and
just
your
as fast a
king.
learner as Clay.
But now, how bad are going down?
I would never do that to the
We're circling the
Emperor.
drain. It
Please,
seems that the
come
dimensional
in
cataclysm
and
has been
consider my
intensifying even
everything,
faster than I
please.
expected.
I assume the Emperor's
They
throwing the
say,
Dimensionator and firing
decorator
it
kit.
recklessly has
What do we do
something to
now?
with that. Conversing with the researchers
do it,
could
all
help
right.
decrease suspicion. Or we could head straight to the Forge's controls and make the Dimensionator.
Looks like the Forge's
So,
controls are
what do
right
you
up on
think
that
of
platform.
Oh, talented, resourceful.
Agreed, agreed, agreed.
I can see why he'd be your counterpart.
What does that mean?
It's a compliment, kid, to both. What do you
It
think?
was incredible.
We have
He told
barely
us
spoken.
this project was
I am glad my counterpart is a good guy.
You were worried about that?
It is a reasonable concern.
Well, it wasn't for me. You're good. No, great. So of course he would be too.
Schematics uploaded.
What do we got? I see.
Are you winging this?
Come on.
You ran the forge with auxiliary power only? The main power button was right there!
Ah, just running a stress test. Let me see. Yes, everything is working correctly.
Let's get out of here before...
Get those charlatans!
Greetings, intruders. Let us escort you to the biology wing. You would be perfect for our unethical
Why did the forge not work?
I did... Because it wasn't fully powered? That other button didn't look right.
You said you were not winging this.
I'm not! I'm intuiting it! Security's everywhere! We gotta get out of here!
What about the Dimensionator?
We'll figure something out!
That spinach is hugely energizing.
There's nothing in this room. Gotta keep moving.
Interior
here! Decorators! How could you... They didn't even have licenses! I need that Lombax powder immediately! Will my victory any further? Forge and make a nice mug for myself!
Forge has been destroyed, sir. Ooh, the intruder is
That won't be the last
That
of them.
Spinnergizer
We need
could
to
use
find a
some
way to
energizing.
escape.
What if we use Blizzle?
Whoa! Monster Dimension sounds pretty good right about now.
You, kid. You're not worthy of being cataloged in the archive. So, life is graduating. Have me on here with That's our way out. Is that what you think is happening?
I do not know. The graphics simply work well for it. I was always worried about this, and I still am today.
I see the intruders!
It also feels like
All right.
that Spinnergizer could use some energizing. So heavy.
Kid, you know that you've done better than I would have if I had been in your shoes, right?
What?
You went out into the unknown, without a lifeline, doing the last thing you ever wanted to do. And you're succeeding. I could never have done that.
Trying to fill in for your father. Helping Clank and I navigate all of this. Arguing. And succeeding.
Bloodblade on the beetle!
That Spinnergizer could use some energizing.
That has to be the last of them.
What do we do now? That was the only Ruby on Forge that could make the Dimensionator.
There's still one in this dimension, though. Maybe we can get a...
That's Kitsy!
Junkbot! What would it take to get your Rubion Forge working again?
Well, there is the power issue. And with the power gone, some kind of nasty virus has
That
infected the
Spinnergizer
system.
could use some
It won't work
energizing.
until it is cleared.
I think I have just the friend who can help with that. All yours, Glitch.
Time! Wait, this dimension has viruses too? This is a nuke pulse upgrade! They're flying now too? So what? They all get deleted the same way.
That's a bunch there, kid. Now these jerks will really find out who they're messing with, don't you know? Flush, please.
Nice work.
Want to blow that up? I could be persuaded. Not exactly a straight line to Battlefield, but that Hellshot shipment is possible.
Walking on enemies with black holes of doom? Try the black hole stone! Sugar, brace yourself!
Try to use my own sympathy against me. Oh, I do not want it hunting back with Yes! I think there's possibly helping the barrier. Right. Honestly, now, I want to see how far you can go. Or I trample you.
Now, I want to see how far you can go. Coming for you! The computer is starting to come back online, which means that firewall should be totally clear now.
Look, Jackson, reach the cruiser!
Sorry to crash the party.
Congratulations on it.
Well, you should be. 'Cause I've got the
How do we sink this thing? Maybe there's a way to damage the power source. Good thinking. Let's look around.
Oh, brilliant! Simply brilliant!
I hear the preparations are complete, Mr. Nefarious.
It's Emperor! But you win it. Might as well be just beginning.
This should do the trick.
You there, Ribbit? We locked on the kid's signal. Trudy's coming to help. Just hop on her back.
What a show! Let's dispose of the ball. Shall we? All cruisers, activate your destructor beams.
Planetary devastation! Finally!
Devastation? All right, Trudy. Let's do this.
Ribbit, our equipment's going haywire. The cruisers are blasting straight through the planet's crust.
Those destructo beams can destroy an entire planet in mere minutes. The Emperor is going to wipe out all of Sargasso. gonna let him destroy my home.
You leave the mothership to us, Rivet. We'll keep her busy with our pesky Syncope.
You got it. We'll handle those battle cruisers.
Rivet, our equipment's going haywire. The cruisers are blasting straight through the planet's crust.
Those destructo beams can destroy an entire planet in mere minutes. The Emperor is going to wipe out all of Sargasso. He can try. I'm not gonna let him destroy my home.
You leave the mothership to us, Rivet. We'll keep her busy with our pesky Syncope.
You got it. We'll handle those battle cruisers.
Oh, a cruiser has been destroyed. I'm devastated. Whatever will I do? I know. Shields up, my darling battle cruisers.
Shields? Ah, just couldn't be easy. Those shields are impenetrable to any weapon we have. I do not know how we will get past them.
Hey, we put together some bombs at our gelatonium stand that should help you take down those shields. Trudy can pick them up and toss them at the cruisers.
Here are the bombs Mort mentioned. Let's grab one. Shields hold up against one of these.
Strength to 120%. I want Sargasso broken.
Oh, gee. Things are rumbling and tumbling down here, Rivet. We're all counting on you two.
Sargasso is becoming unstable. We must act quickly and destroy the other battle cruisers.
Mayday! Mayday! They winged us! Gonna attempt a water landing! It's all up to you now, Rivet!
Mort, no! Kit, Trudy, finish those battle cruisers off. Rivet, the battle cruiser's destructo beam is moments away from breaching the planet's core. You must stop it. We'll stop it together. Come on, Trudy.
We're getting crazy tonight!
Another unlikely win just in time to cross you off the list. Off to Zordu prison you go. Oh, who needs tradition? Let's spice things up.
We appear to be in a pocket dimension. Luckily, the all-knowing Emperor didn't realize I know exactly how to get out of him. No, too far. Come on, Rifts, work with me here.
You two seem to have a lot of history.
Yeah, you could say that. I've fought a long time to win our galaxy back. Lost friends, my arm.
The Emperor did that?
Oh, not exactly. It happened during a mission. I found a secret entrance into the Emperor's tower. So I tried to sneak in, alone. The door was right there. I didn't notice one of Nefarious' warbots was nearby. I thought I could run. I wasn't fast enough. Then it just stopped. I got away before it could finish the job. But I built myself this cool new arm, so it's not all bad. New arm, so it's not all bad.
Rivet. That's fine.
Hey, look! An exit!
Check it out.
Let's get to Xerxes. Maybe Ratchet and Clank have some good news.
Feel free to browse.
Excuse me. Are there more of those things now?
I fear the dimensional cataclysm is getting worse.
Well, the sooner we find Pierre, the sooner we get to fixing all of this. Somehow.
We will find a way. Like always.
In unrelated, our doors will be closed today for a private event. The execution of Pierre Lefebvre. All trespassers shall be shot and stabbed on sight. And remember to secure the fiery hole. Never blow up your own ship.
Of course, our only defining Captain Quantum is about to be executed.
Perhaps someone else can tell us where he is.
Tis a fight! Your next execution.
Hi! Can we please speak with Captain Quantum? That shield. Something that telescope. Pierre's still alive! I think we can take a shortcut through those caves to get to him.
Hurry, Ratchet. Keep moving, please.
Hey, buddy. When all this is over, will you help me find the love axis?
Of course, Ratchet. You changed your mind.
Maybe. I don't know. Before today, I thought the Dimensionator could only bring you trouble. But without it, you would never met Rivet.
Captain Quantum Ult! Here's the truth.
Aye! So let us forget all that talk and settle down for a nice second talk!
that be all the critters?
Listen here. He'll release. I will give you this nice succulent bone. It is beautiful, eh? Right. I see it's not an entirely fair trade.
So what's our execution like? His first one today.
Was that all the pirates on this planet? Because it sure felt like it.
Oh, we are never that lucky.
There! Pierre, straight ahead! Why does everything want to go Nicely handled, Ratchet. Thanks, buddy. Now you want for stuff like this.
What could even destroy itself? If anyone wanted to save moi, now would you?
Intruder! You can't stop the swift arm of justice! I'm not hurt! We're rescuing you! You need your help defeat Captain Quantum. He's in great Pirates flying in! Thanks, pal!
From the Scallywag!
Normally I would not have enemies. Saved my life, and I am Pierre Lefebvre, gentleman extraordinaire. If you want an audience with Captain Quantum, you must complete the pirate trials.
What are those?
A tradition as old as Grog, and our old lands have their colors. Head to Solomon. There, you will find the captain.
Feeding all for success and spray and pray. Get the hell to the stellar shooting. You will be missed, sweet thing.
Pierre is quite fishy. I am not sure I trusted him. Neither, but he's our best shot at finding Captain Quantum. We just need to get through these trials. Is grog made out of... I think this speedy might appreciate getting out of here. So you've ridden one of these beetles before, right, Frank? What you call hanging on for dear life. Right. Remembers us. And is following us? So you've ridden one of these beetles before, right, Frank? If you want to call hanging on for dear life. Right. And is following us? Someone's not right about all this.
Welcome to the Forge Trials! Now who will be swashbuckling with us today?
What? The Pirate Trials are a theme park? Cool.
Listen to our shanty carefully and shoot the pirates in order to sing it back.
Me hearties, sing shanties.
Me hearties, sing shanties. Pardon?
I hope your memory be sharp.
Girls in
Respectable positions of power. I hope your memory be sharp.
girls in
Respectable positions of power.
Of girls in
I hope your memory be sharp.
girls in
Respectable positions of power.
of girls in respectable positions of power.
Everyone! I be the spirit!
linger by
Linger by the
Ye have passed the first trial with flying colors! Now press on to the second!
I thought that went rather well. Yeah. Guess we should do that more.
a Grandor.
Think you can help us get that gold bridge?
Take it nice and steady. This computer will be fixed up for Ratchet in no time. As long as I don't let those viruses trap me again.
survived? I mean, huzzah! The captain is
Finally! Looks like Pierre was telling the truth after all.
Let's see what is up ahead first. That means congratulations, incredible.
That doesn't make it any better!
Ratchet, run!
So, Captain, what brings ye here?
You're, in danger. The Emperor has a...
Dimensionator?
You already knew?
We bugged him. Greatest job we ever pulled. So actually, he's the one in danger.
We could get ahead of the Emperor with that thing.
It's me face.
But you're not a robot.
What? Ye dare!
Wait, this dimension has a quark?
Quark? It's quantum! Captain Quantum! Murder! No, it's me! It be me! Quantum, see?
He will pay for fighting on Captain's head like that. Both of you.
us.
If they weren't trying to stab me, I'd be so honored right now. Just a little bit longer. We're almost at full power.
Where is that ship going? What the heck is that thing? Maybe we should focus on escaping first before the pirates or the Emperor get here.
We'll be long gone before he ever gets close to me. We are ready for takeoff. Initiate
Stealth. I'm thinking? I'm afraid so. We have...
So, this Captain Quark, is he a pirate in your dimension too?
No, he's a hero. Even though he's betrayed us, surrendered to save his own skin, taking credit for our...
He's a hero?
Because no matter how many times he screws up, he's always there when it matters most. He never stops trying.
Dimensions falling apart. The Emperor's all-powerful, and my life's in danger. Perfect time for a career change.
And there
What are you doing?
Hero stuff!
Actually saved us. Wow. We must let Rivet and Kit know. Let's meet them in circus. Plan our next move. Wonder what Rivet's up to.
And now for a message from your Emperor.
my people, I did it. At long last, the pirates are vanquished. The resistance is broken, and this galaxy is finally mine! That's it. Where's the joy? The bliss? The murderous enlightenment? Why don't I feel any different?
Because you equated happiness with success. And now that you've achieved it, life is meaningless.
What could you possibly know about success, you... It seems I haven't really won yet. There are still so many other dimensions waiting to be conquered!
Good luck finding them. It took me years just to figure out the coordinates for this one.
That's because you forgot the first rule of road tripping. Always bring a map.
A map. The dimensional map. In the archives. He's going to Savali. You catch all that, Rivet?
Got it. We'll meet you there.
No way. It must be nefarious. The archives held the dimensional map, correct? Yeah. Rivet. Kit. Emperor Nefarious destroyed the archives. We're gonna check inside. See if he got the map.
The archives have been destroyed? Where is Gary?
I'm not sure. Nefarious forces ahead.
You